The feature this month is Wayground. Wayground used to be called Quizzes. It is accessible through Prince William County portal. So click on Wayground. The first time that you go to Wayground, it might ask you for the organization. You can go ahead and put Hilton, that's fine. Wayground is approved by the county, but Hilton did not pay for accounts. So I'm going to show you everything that we can do at the free level that we have. So first, I can search. So if I wanted to, I can find all kinds of current, previously made things. I can filter by grades or by activity length. I also have the ability to make edits. So if I find something that I like, but I want to make changes, I can copy and edit. So I can copy and edit here. I can save anything that I've made and come back to it and use it again. I can share it with my CLT. I also can download this as a worksheet. So if I wanted to print the worksheet, or if I wanted to print, save as PDF, and then upload that to Canvas or Formative and use the Lockdown browser, I have that option too, which is great. So here, if I like this, I can see what it looks like. I want to go ahead and either assign or start now. Under Start Now, I can do student paced or teacher led. Sometimes when I click through this, it asks me if I want to set up any accommodations. I'm going to skip all of that because I don't have students loaded in the system. I don't have rosters. So I'm going to skip the accommodations in this, and I'm just going to start. This will generate a web link and a join code for students to enter. I'll go ahead and join this to show you what it looks like from the student perspective. All right, so I'm going to enter the join code. As a teacher, you can decide, do you want students to have their real names? Do you want students to type in initials? Students are typing their name in, so just be aware of that if you don't trust their students to type in appropriate things. I'm going to start. So I got it right. It's going to give me feedback in real time. If I get it wrong, it'll tell me the correct answer. Now imagine that this game is over, and as a teacher, I wanted to see how my students did. I went ahead and stopped trying. As you can see here, didn't even answer the last few, but I can see if you do have them enter their names or their initials or their student numbers or whatever, you can get information on how your students did, what questions they got right or wrong, and I do have the ability to print and save that if I need that data for later.